Yo, what's up guys? We're back here for another video, and today I'm just going to be doing a startup on the two pit bikes. We've got the Yamaha pw80 right here, first pit bike, and then the other pit bike we have is the kx60, I believe. The kx60 is two-stroke, and this one is two-stroke without a power band, so it's just like a normal pit bike. So we'll get right into the startups right now, and it's probably going to be a cold start, so it might not start up first kick. Okay guys, here's the Yamaha pw80, and we're going to start this one first. Oh, just about first kick. That one started up like second kick. Gonna turn the gas back off on that one. And we'll head over to this beauty. kx60. Let's get it. The clutch in. There's the kx60. Let's go.